On your site, investigators have uncovered new information about what caused Anderson's death. Investigator Sarah Buttison is live with details of Tanisha's death. And Sarah, one legal expert says this is similar to another very highly publicized case.
That's right, Lee. The Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner released this ruling today, saying that the two officers' actions contributed to Tanisha Anderson's death. The Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner ruled today Tanisha Anderson's death was a homicide. We found in the report Anderson suffered sudden death associated with physical restraint in a prone position. The medical examiner told us being in that position, restrained face down, can make it harder to breathe.
Well, that's Eric Garner. It's a variation on that theme.
Civil rights attorney Avery Friedman says Anderson's death is similar to another controversial case involving police. Eric Garner died after being put in a chokehold by a New York City officer. The case sparked massive protests, many wearing T-shirts saying, "I can't breathe," including athletes in Cleveland.
The very things that the U.S. Department of Justice Civil Rights Division talked about in its 58-page report seems to have been exemplified in the Tanisha Anderson case.
The report released in December says Cleveland officers do a poor job dealing with the mentally ill. Anderson suffered from bipolar disorder. The medical examiner told me agitation from that and heart disease also contributed to her death. Friedman says it's now up to prosecutors to determine if the officer's actions were criminal.
Legally, it's not the end point, it's the beginning. There are so many other questions that have to be asked so that we can get to the truth.
I asked the medical examiner today how often someone dies as a result of being physically restrained. He says it is not unheard of, but it is unusual. On your side, I'm investigator Sarah Buttison, News Channel 5.